Hello, welcome back to another video on memory map images. Actually, this video will be our last video on memory map images, and for this topic we will be talking about list slicing. So what a slice is, it's basically a copy of a list from a certain index to an end index. So you start at, so for instance, we have a list here. List 2 is a slice of list 1 from index 1 all the way to the end. So it will not include this value at index 0, which is 1. So it will be 2, and then this list 3 and 4. So let's go to our whiteboard, and why don't we draw our memory map image. So this one should be fairly recognizable or familiar in that, as I mentioned before, it's a shallow copy, and we've done shallow and deep copy in a previous video. Okay, so let's start drawing our memory map image. Okay, so first let's start by drawing our call stack. Oops. And then we have our list object. So let's draw our list object. And then we have our int 1, our int 2, and then we have our list, which has three and 4. And that's list 1. Alright, so list 2 is a slice of list 1. So we'll draw another list object. And simply point to, actually, I made a mistake here. List 2 is a slice of list 1 starting at index 1. So this 1 is not included. It actually starts here, right? Because we have 0, 1, 2. So list 2 only has 2 values. Okay, so when we print, we see list 1 is simply 1, 2, 3, 4. And list 2 is 2, 3, 4. Alright, now let's apply our changes. So list 1 at index 2. At index 2 is this list object. And at index 0, we change it to 50. So index 0, so it's this 3. So we'll take our red marker, cross that out. And then, oops, create an int 50. And now this list object at index 0 points to this int 50. And then our second change is list 2, index 1. Index 1, we change it to 70. So it's the same list object here, right? Because it's a shallow copy. So we take our red marker, cross this out, and then we create an int with 70, and then now it points to this int 70. So afterwards, when we print, we get, we get list 1 is 1, 2, 50, and 70. And list 2, because it was a slice starting at index 1, it only has 2, and 50, 70. Okay, so that's list slicing, which is basically a shallow copy. So if we were to run this, we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4. And then afterwards, we see 1, 2, 50, 70, and 2, 50, 70, which is what we have here. Okay, so that's list slicing. And thank you for watching, and yeah, have a good one.